special guest. This is my sister, Christy.
Hi guys!
And today we're going to be filming we make our own Vogue magazine. So actually there's Kelsey Simons Simons, right? That's your family name? Okay. Her family, she's actually a fashion blogger and we both really like her, and she once made a video like this. So we decided we're going to make our own Vogue magazine inspired by her. And Christy is actually going to be in the cover of our Vogue Lebanon.
Vogue Lebanon.
Yes, she's the star. And so yeah, let's just get started. Oh, by the way, my setting changed. This is not the regular white with the plant on the background.
No,
setting.
it's more dark.
Yeah, because I'm filming in Lebanon, so I'm pre-filming this because I am intending to wait till I get to Canada to actually publish it. So yeah. Let's just get into it.
Canva. I had that on my phone, I think.
Yeah, it's really useful.
Canva.
Okay. So the first thing we're going to start is with the cover of the magazine. We actually went to Sursuk Museum and Palace, which is actually a gorgeous place in Beirut. And yeah, we decided to take pictures there for the Vogue magazine. We felt like it's very like Vogue
Vogue-worthy.
Yeah, exactly. It has like this amazing Parisian vintage vibes, which are very Vogue. So basically, yeah. For the writings, let's let the picture load. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna put like text Vogue. I think that's the first thing we should do. Okay, so Vogue. Okay, so now we're just going to go through each font and find which one looks the best.
One eternity later.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
3,000 to go. Okay, so I was thinking for the colors, like right here, it's like green. They focus on like a green.
That's the August edition.
Yeah, that's the newest British edition. So since our picture is like she's wearing a red and white, so I'm thinking that we're going to do the main writing, such as like this in red maybe. Plus, like the background is white, so I think red would look nice.
Yeah, red.
So let's start. So I already wrote like whatever we have to write. So for the cover, we wanted to write Christy on top of the fashion world. So
guys, don't mock us, okay? We're just having fun.
Christy, you are on top of the fashion world. Oh, come on.
Oh my god, a girl just like commented, they should try and put you on the cover of Vogue.
Really? Oh my god! I'm 100% sure this video is going to take ages.
Yeah.
In the fashion world. Okay. So I was thinking, I think these are the same font, but I think this is italic. So let's see.
No, I think those are the same fonts, no?
Wait, exactly. This.
I thought like this meant that. That. Not that and that. Because
No, I think all of them, and this one is italic.
This one is italic. Yeah.
Okay.
That's for sure.
pas. Okay, now we have to add, like Krista said, the barcode so that we can make it look
more real.
Yeah, so we're gonna like random magazine barcode.
Buy our magazine
Doesn't
at
look.
$17.
Okay.
Next.
I actually want my tissue. Okay, where's my tissue? You guys, we're doing great.
Yes. 16 hours later.
Okay, so next we decided
To put some ads, because you know when you have like the Vogue magazine, like the first pages are ads.
So we wanted first ad to be habits. So first ad we're gonna do clothes. So let's see. Like we cannot do this thing.
Yeah,
I
no,
guess
it's too complicated for us.
Yes. So I guess we're gonna be doing the same brand, like two different pictures of the same brand.
Yeah.
So let's see which picture we have. For like the last page, we already planned, like we already know which photos we want to put, and that's like of an actual advertisement that I did with a brand called Boschis, which is like the t-shirt right here, guys. It's glittery and it's nice. It's a local neo-oriental brand, which we love, guys. We love this brand.
It's written Habibi Inta.
So we planned on to like put the ad here.
That's a real one, so yeah, one on us.
Okay, and this is Gucci as well. So they have like Gucci and Gucci here. So I don't know if that's a sign. But anyway,
That's a sign.
we should do like Boschis. Okay, they have like so many ads on the Vogue magazine. We cannot
We're just gonna do 10 pages.
Yeah, and we can actually do fake ads, like take from random. Yeah, we wanted those pictures of me. Those.
Oh yeah.
You remember?
Those.
Okay.
What's from what store you're like? Just dresses.
From Urban Outfitters.
You can wear Urban Outfitters.
Yeah, with a nice font. It's good. It has to be like pretty simple. I mean, it's an ad. It's not supposed to be that complicated.
Yeah.
So that's going to take 2 pages. So that's already like 1, 2.
1, 2.
We wanted to do 3 ads, but I think that's going to be too much for
2
us.
ads. Like
2
that
ads.
one,
And that
2,
one.
and then we start
With the content.
How do we call it? I completely forgot.
The content, I think next to the
Sommet.
content. Oui, le sommet. Oh my god, there's so many. Okay, so we're gonna put another ad, so a 3rd ad, we're gonna put it like here, and then we're gonna do our content.
Yeah.
So first, let's do our first.
So 3 ads.
Yeah, actually.
But just.
The 3rd ad has to be only 1 page.
Yeah.
Great. Okay, so we're charging her laptop, so in case my laptop crashes or we don't have battery, at least we have like a backup laptop, but I'm so fucking hot right now, so I'm just going to tie my hair and just fix
The
that
weather
sign.
is shitty, by the way.
Yeah, like it's really hot, but like
The sky is not blue, it's not gray, it's white, brownish.
Oh, we can try to do like something where the name, starts here but then finishes here.
Oh,
like
my god, I was gonna tell you the same thing.
Like,
we should do
urban.
Because it was a magazine, it's gonna be
Outfitters,
like that. Urban Outfitters.
Yeah.
Like down, not up.
Second ad, we wanted to do jewelries.
Yeah.
Actually. We can find something online. So that's fine. Swarovski?
Yeah.
No.
Or Tiffany&Co.
Yeah.
We had the same minds.
Ads.
So
Now we do the content page.
yes.
Okay. So content page, we have to do a sort of collage and stuff. So we pretty much will do the same as this. So we'll put a picture. So a random picture of a woman.
That's a nice aesthetic photo.
Me?
Yes, you.
Let's do something else.
Why?
There's nice flowers and stuff.
Why don't you want to put yourself?
Je préfère cela.
Okay. It's more winter, no?
Not sure.
No, I like the other one with the hat. Cute in summer.
Okay, Christine. Oh, with the flower.
Or with the flower, like you want.
Okay, Christy, I got it. You want this photo. She is rude and disrespectful.
To tell you you're beautiful. Yes, I am rude and disrespectful.
Yes, indeed.
Ah.
So we were planning on to actually like any Vogue magazine to actually make like the article and then an ad and then the article and then an ad, if you see what I mean. Summer essentials. I feel like I'm screaming. Summer essentials.
Like, whoa, she got angry and she wrote
Damn it,
that.
bro! Summer essentials.
She wants to be popular.
If it's already 3:19. Wait, this is taking ages. I feel like we should do the rest off camera.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. So we did the content. But basically, okay, right now we're done with the content.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna do like we planned. We're gonna do like an ad. So I think we're gonna be using a drawer ad, and then we're going to do our first article, which are our trends.
Yes.
And then an ad, and then our summer essentials, and then the article about me, and then the article about Christy, and then the article about like one page like summer wedding and stuff like this.
Yeah.
So basically that's what we're going to do, and we're screen recording, so I don't think we need to show you like explain to you what we're gonna be doing. So yeah, we're just going to do that off camera. So we're back, and we actually printed out the magazine. Look how pretty it is. I mean, she makes an amazing model for Vogue. No?
Vogue, hire me, please.
It's amazing. I love the details. Like we're going to show a close up, but basically, yeah, that's how
Actually, the first page is magazine.
paper, yeah,
Yeah, magazine paper, but the rest is like
normal.
paper.
It's looking like with the
Yeah.
barcode here. I think it's very realistic. And the background is like the back is a ad for Boschis. We actually wanted to write the French collection here, but for some reason it got cut off. We didn't notice until we actually got here, but it's fine. Like it's okay. Let's say like the collection is called the French. So basically, yeah. So when you open it, we didn't actually finish all of the articles because it was taking too much time, and my laptop was heating up. It was giving me like a hard time to actually work. So yeah, But we did like end up doing like the main titles and stuff. So
Yeah.
this is the first ad. It's
good
Urban
first
Outfit-
start.
Yeah, this is Urban Outfitters. I'm actually wearing Urban Outfitters in this
Yeah,
picture.
it's not like we wrote Urban Outfitters because we
Yeah.
want.
Next is Tiffany and Co.
Yeah, it's
Very nice. And then goes another ad, which we decided to take the full. And then the table of content. So I really love how I did the editing. Like as you can see, like a picture of me, strokes, beach pictures, and all of the table content. I think it looks amazing.
really aesthetic.
Plus with the page number and stuff. So that's cool. We actually forgot to add the page numbers here.
Of
That's fine.
course.
Okay. And then goes the another ad. This is for the Dior Youthful Glow Booster, I guess, but who
Yeah.
cares? But yeah. And then goes the 4 trends. Well, I wrote 3 trends because I didn't feel like adding a 4th one. But 3 trends you'll have to wear. So we made it super quick because, like I said, my laptop was heating up. So yeah. Like we took like random stuff that are not actually trendy except for the straw bag, but
Like
yeah.
fanny pack is trendy, but like not. It's like the new style.
Yeah.
The new trend.
And then
You did a good job.
yeah, I think it's too big though. Like next time we do, I think the font should be smaller. Like I didn't realize the page would be that big, and then like we could have made the picture smaller. But you
Actually, it's kind of nice.
you like the fact that it's
Yeah.
big. Okay. Well, yeah. Personally, I would make them smaller to add more stuff. Like we could have added like at least 2 other trends. It would have fitted honestly on this huge paper. But we know at least for like the future.
Yeah.
And then, like I said, we didn't do all the articles. Like for example, I only did the first page of my article, which is 23 facts of a beauty blogger. Only this, we didn't add the actual article. And then directly we started with Christy's article. Christy on top of the fashion word, added a few words, another picture of her. So let's pretend like that's the rest of the article. You know, we have
Basically, you have to look at my face to know everything.
yeah. And then that last page is an ad which is related to this one. Yeah. Bushes. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and to subscribe to my channel. Bye!
Bye.